Welcome back, BMW fans. It's Andre Podianu from BMW Blog, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated habit. Now, you're probably curious, what is an automated habit and what's it used for and why do I need it? The automated habit you can set to open up a window when you reach a certain GPS location. And the purpose for that is if you go to a specific drive-thru every single time for your coffee, or you go to a toll tag where like a cash toll tag where you have to roll down the window and throw change to cross the toll, you can automatically set for the window to open up automatically. So I'm going to show you now. We're going to go into the area. We're going to show you how to set it up and then how to use it. So now you just have to do this just one time. And once you reach your location that you want the window to open, you're going to go to the small squares. You're going to go to Automate Habits. You're going to go to Habits on the left and go to Automated Window, Activation Points, and then Add Activation Point. Save. So now I'm going to drive around. I'm going to show you how it opens up automatically for us. So now we're going to pull up into the drive-thru area. I've got both hands on the wheel. Look at that. Love it.
Hi there, I'm help you.
Can I get a small regular?
Okay.
Thank you.
You can drive it.
Now, there's no automated habit to close the window. It's just open. So I have to manually close it. And now I'm going to take my warm coffee. I'm going to place it in my heated cup holder. And I'm going to turn it on to make sure that I have heated coffee the entire ride. And that was a quick video on demonstrating how to use the automated habits, how to set it up, and what it's used for. Hope you found the video instructional and informative. If you like this video and you want to see more cool BMW tips and tricks, make sure that you're following us and you hit that bell notification. Until next time, this was Andre from BMW Blog.